take out your books, page number 130. Page number 130. Okay. So now we are going to solve this level 1 questions, okay. So before that, take 5 minutes time. So read out the formulas. Whatever formulas are there in thermodynamics, see the formulas and see the formula for heat engine, Carnot engine and refrigerator. Thermodynamics and 130 is for KTG, okay. So we will solve one by one. So now I told about the thermodynamics now. So complete the formulas, we will go for the problems of 120 page number. So once you see the formulas, whatever there in the classwork as well as whatever there in the textbook also, you can mark the formulas. Completed? Okay. So we'll go with the question number 1 now. So before that, I'll tell a point. So triple point, you have studied about triple. So a particle will behave as a solid as well as liquid as well as gas at a particular point. That point is called as a triple point, we'll say. Okay. So the first question now they are talking about critical temperature of CO2 is 31.2 degrees Celsius. In summer the room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Page number 130. Yeah, sorry. 130. Array, this is KTG, no? Solve with thermodynamics first. 120 only. So, which of the following parameters does not characterize of the thermodynamic state of the matter? So, options are volume, temperature, pressure and work. So, obviously it is work. So, PV is equals to nRT, like a pressure, volume and temperature will talk. So, we doesn't talk about the work here. Okay. The next question. So, option is first one D. Second question, which of the following is a not a path function? So, one is like a path function, we have talked about the internal energy, no? So, it is a path function which is not a path function they are asking. So, which is nothing but delta Q minus delta W. Okay. Option C. So, third question, read the question. When the volume changes from, so it is changing from V2 to V, okay, at a constant pressure, okay, then change in internal energy will be at a constant pressure they are asking, no? So tell. What is the formula? dq is equals to du plus dw. And what is the formula for dq first of all? mc v delta t. Pressure is constant. So I can take cv, no, if pressure is constant. I should take cp. Tell, what is the condition? Tell. Pressure constant. So cp. Once you open the notes and once you open the textbook and refer, what is the thing? Pressure is constant, Cp. So mCp delta T. Now what about Cp in terms of R and like in terms of real constant, I mean real gas constant? R gamma minus 1. Okay. So can I write like this in terms of like what they have given? Like volume is changing. So N Cp delta T. So R gamma minus 1. So this which one? Gamma R by gamma minus 1, and this is N and this is delta T. Okay. Now what is about N R delta T means? N R delta T. PV is equals to N R delta T, no? Yes or no? Then work done in terms of pressure and volume. P into then substitute the values. Open the rough notebooks. Okay, I'll tell from the question number 1 to 5 first what are the things are there, you calculate it. Okay. So third question we got the formula. Fourth question, an ideal Carnot engine whose efficiency is 40 percentage receive heat at 500 Kelvin. Okay. The next thing is, if its efficiency is 50 percentage, then the intake temperature for the same exhaust temperature will be. So what is the efficiency formula? In terms of, okay, eta is equals to 1 minus T2 by T1, can I say? T1 minus T2 by T1. So 1 minus T2 by T1. And what is the thing they have given here? Temperature. Like receives at heat at 500 Kelvin they have given. Like, okay, temperature they have given in Kelvin only, and the efficiency is 40 percentage, which is nothing but 40 by 100. Okay. And they are telling that same exhaust. Same exhaust means temperature T2 will be same. Getting the point? Temperature T2 will be same. So here receives heat at 500 Kelvin. This one will be 500. First I need to find what is T2. Then take this T2, the efficiency 50 percentage. Should be equals to 1 minus T2 by T1. So T1 I need to find here. The next question is, a cyclic process is shown in the figure, work done during the cyclic process A, B, C, D, A. So what I should do? Like pressure and volume they have given. So area of the given graph. So how to find the area of the given graph? So how many diagrams are there? If I split 2, 3, 4, how many? Okay, one is, okay, it is either square or rectangle. Then one more is triangle. Okay, find the answers for the first 5 questions. They are telling like a cyclic process, no, is shown in the given figure. The work done during the cyclic process A, B, C, D, A. So what we have learned about this circle, square, rectangle, whatever it is. So what we have learned there, pressure and volume. Right now both we should take it. So even if it's a cyclic process, it won't be a zero thing. Yes or no? Only for the internal energy it will be 0 for the cyclic process. So here like in terms of pressure and in terms of volume I need to take. So I will get a 2 diagram. One is rectangle and one is triangle. Which one? Exactly, the 2 is there, no? Draw the vertical line. Extend the line. The 2. You will get one rectangle and one triangle. Yes, no? Find it. Book ekkada? So got the answer for the second one? Fourth one. Which one? Q is equals to U plus W, right now. So Q minus W will be equals to delta U. So this thing we are talking, a change in thing. So delta U formula is always NCV delta T. It is not coming. So this is 1 and this is 2 minus 1. So it is 10 power 2. So 10 power 2 for this, the answer. And the second one, 10 power 2 in the sense 100, no? And for the second one, half into base is 1. Height is again 10 power 2. So this 10 power 2 is nothing but 100 divided by 2. It is 50. So 100 plus 50, 150. In the second equation, so you will get, okay. So why we have taken T2 for the second one also? Same exhaust. So what is the answer for the fifth one? So fourth one is 600 and fifth one is 150. Okay, listen. So the fourth question is, so efficiency is equals to 1 minus T2 by T1. So efficiency they have given 40%, no? So 40 by 100 should be equals to 1 minus T2, like receives heat at 500 Kelvin, 500 Kelvin. So which is nothing but this is 500. So what I can do here, T2 by 500 should be equals to 1 minus 40 by 100. Can I write? Yes, no? I have taken this T2 this side and this 40 by 100 this side. So it becomes plus and this becomes minus. So 100 minus 40 by 100 into 500. Correct, na? Yes or no? So these two zeros and these two zeros will get cancelled off. So 100 minus 40 is 60 into 5 is 300. 6 5s are 30, no? And one more 0, 300. Now I got the value of T2. So now the efficiency what they have given 50% no. So 50 by 100 should be equals to 1 minus T2 by T1. What is T2? 300. So I will take this term this side and the other term that side. So T2 by T1 should be equals to 1 minus 50 by 100 and this T2 is 300. So 300 by T1 will be equals to 50 by 100. So 1 times and this is 2 times. So cross multiply it. So 600 will be equals to T1. This is my answer. You can cross verify the things now. So where you have done the mistakes. Done? Fifth question done? Everyone? Who have not completed fifth question and who is having doubt in the fifth question? Not coming. Got the answer for fifth question? No. So this one completed? Copy down fast. I'll do it here. So what is fifth question they are telling? Like I need to find the work done, no? So can I'll draw the diagram first. So this is 1, 2, 3 and this one is 10 power 2 and this is 2 into 10 power 2. So can I write this is 1 into 10 power 2? Yes, no? So I have divided this first part and this is the second part. So in the first part, no, can I write length into breadth for the area? So length is nothing but like 1 into 10 power 2 and 2 into 10 power 2. Can I separate these two things? What I'll get? 10 power 2 only. See, 2 into 10 power 2 minus 1 into 10 power 2. So if I take 10 power 2 commonly outside, it is 2 minus 1. So which is nothing but 10 power 2. Okay. So I'll get the length as 10 power 2. What is the breadth here? 1. Right now? So area of the first one will be L into B, which is nothing but 10 power 2, which is nothing but 100. Similarly, area 2 will be equals to half into like triangle, na? What is the base here? 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 only, no? And into height again it is 10 power 2. Already we got. Okay. So 10 power 2. So 10 power 2 is nothing but 100 divided by 2, which is nothing but 50. So 50 plus 100 is 150. That's the answer. Understood? Okay. Now read the sixth question, whoever completed the fourth and fifth question. Try to analyze with the PV is equals to nRT equation. PV is equals to nRT equation, and we are talking about the isothermal graph, no? Yes or no? They are talking about the temperature. As we are going away from the origin, the temperature will be increases. So obviously the option will be T2 is greater than T1. Can we go for the next question? Seventh question. Even seventh question, the formulas are above the seventh question only. The refrigerator. W is equals to Q1 minus Q2, and beta is equals to Q2 by W, and beta is equals to Q2 by Q1 minus Q2, Yes or no? The formulas are there, no? And we'll go for the question now. The temperature inside a refrigerator is T2 degree Celsius and the room temperature is T1 degree Celsius. The amount of heat delivered to the room for each joule of electrical energy consumed ideally will be. So they are talking about joules, right? So whenever they are talking about joules, they are talking about the SI unit. So obviously in degree Celsius I need to convert into Kelvin. Okay. Whatever they have given, T2 degree Celsius plus 273, T1 degree Celsius plus 273. Degree Celsius, no? If I want to convert into Kelvin, plus 273 I need to add, no? Take out the conversions part. Now see the thing. So what are the formulas? Beta is equals to T2 by T1 minus T2, and I can write Q2 by W also, or else Q2 by Q1 minus Q2. Now I can expand the things now here. So Q2 by W will be equals to Q1 minus W by W. Can I write? Tell what are the formulas are there once. Beta is equals to Q2 by one more formula. Q1 Q2 Q2 by Q1 minus Q2. What are the next formula? Beta is equals to T2 by T1 minus then that's it. So one Q2 by W, one more is Q2 by Q1 minus Q2, and one more is T2 by T1 minus T2, and whatever Q2 it is T2, whatever is Q1 that is T1. Okay, and one more formula is W is equals to Q1 minus Q2, right now. So in terms of W, can I write this one? No? That's the thing, no? They have given. Now write the equation. I'll tell one by one how to write it. So beta is equals to Q2 by W. I can rewrite that Q2. This is Q1 minus Q2 is equals to W. They have given, no? So if I want Q1 and W, I can take this Q to the other side, no? So Q1 minus W will be equals to Q2. Substitute the value there. So I can Q1 minus W by W. So Q1 minus W minus 1. You will get? Yes or no? Now what is the thing they have given? Temperature they have given. I can equate this to temperature, no? T2 by T1 minus T2. What is the thing they are asking? Consumed ideally will be like heat delivered for the room, like heat delivered for the room for each joule of electrical energy consumed, for each joule of electrical energy, like work done. So Q1 by Q2 I need to find. I can take, so Q1 by W will be equals to T2 by T1 minus T2 plus 1. So what is T2 they have given? T2 degree Celsius, no? Which is nothing but T2 plus 273. Can I write this T1 minus T2 itself? Because the change in temperature is nothing but, we have talked, change in temperature in Celsius also equal, change in temperature in Kelvin also it is equal. I have given the points, no? Like change in degree Celsius will be equals to change in Kelvin. If I write here, no need to get doubts here. So T1 plus 273 minus of T2 plus 273. So T1 plus 273 minus T2 minus 273. So I will get T1 minus T2. If you add 273 to both of them, if you subtract also, you will get the same value. Okay. Now remaining is plus 1. So if I expand the things, what I will get? T2 plus 273 plus T1 minus T2 by T1 minus T2. T2 and T2 will get cancelled off. T1 plus 273 by T1 minus T2. This T2 only, no? T1 minus T2, T1 plus 273 by T1 plus T2, T1 T2 by T1, okay. Option either 1 or 2 should come, no? So it is minus, denominator it is minus, change that one. So option A will be the answer. So obviously denominator won't be plus. The next question. At 27 degrees Celsius, a gas suddenly compressed such that its pressure becomes 1/8 of its original pressure. So initially the pressure is P and the second pressure is P by 8. Okay. The temperature of the gas will be if gamma is equals to 5 by 3. So here they have given in terms of gamma no. Yesterday we have written three formulas. So gamma in terms of pressure and temperature also. Take out that formula and take the ratio of the both of them, initial and final. PV power gamma is equals to constant, but there they have given in terms of V, I need to convert in terms of T. So PV power gamma is equals to constant and PV is equals to nRT. So here V will be equals to T by P. Can I take this here? So P into T by P power gamma will be equals to constant. So I can expand this P T power gamma by P power gamma, and I can rewrite this as P power 1 P power minus gamma T power gamma. So P power 1 minus gamma T power gamma is equals to constant. Correct, no? Now you write. So which is nothing but P power 1 minus gamma is inversely proportional to T power gamma. So P1 by P2 power 1 minus gamma will be equals to T2 by T1 power gamma. So what is the value of gamma they have given here? 5 by 3. Substitute the values also. So 1 minus 5 by 3 and this is 5 by 3 will come. So 3 minus 5 by 3 and this is 5 by 3. So here minus 2 by 3, 5 by 3. So if I multiply by 3, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So remaining will be minus 2 and minus 2 and 5. So for minus 2 what you should do? I should reverse the value. So if it is P1 by P2 means P2 by P1 will come. No, sir. Why, sir? Ante power. See, did I done any big calculation here? You have done these many big calculations. 27 power, 300 power, 5 like that. Okay. Okay. So what is the equation you got? Like where you got stuck with the equation? Tell the equation. 1 by 64. Tell the equation, madam. 1 by 64 is equals to T2 by 300 power 5. Right now? So can I write this in terms of 2 power 5? Yes, no? 2 power 5. Wait, let the others also think, no? 2 power 5, 32. Is it? 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 8, 8, 2, 16. Okay. This is the equation you got. Show the equation. No, not this one. So they have given that 1 by 8, no? So P1 by P2 they have given, na? So I can reverse the terms, na? So P2 by P1, that is 1 by 8 in the sense like 8 will come, no? So it is P2 by P1 or P1 by T2? Okay. 1 by 8. So P2 by P1, no? Should be equals to T2 by T1, no? Correct, kada? So I can reverse this P1 by P2 is equals to T1 by T2. Or else I will take this only. So P2 1 by 8, na? So 1 by 8, listen, 1 by 8 should be equals to T2 is as it is, T1 is how much? 27. So 1 by this 5 and this is 2. I have written, na? So this is 15. Cross multiply this one. 3 power 15 divided by 2 power 6 and should be equal to t power 5. Expand it. It will come.
2 power 6 by
Wait.
5 is
What is the thing they have given here? Write this in terms of PV power gamma is equals to constant. So P into T by P power gamma is equals to constant. Any doubt here? So P T power gamma by P power gamma equals to constant. Okay. Now I can take this to the numerator. So P power 1 P power minus gamma T power gamma equals to constant. So it is P 1 minus gamma T power gamma equals to constant. Equation like book. So now the equation is, it is 5 by 3. So P1 by P2 power 1 minus gamma equals to T2 by T1 power gamma. So P1 P, P2 is 1 by, so P by 8 power 1 minus gamma equals to T2 by T1 1 by 8. So PP will get cancelled, 8 per 8